Now to the latest on the vaccine. Pfizer now saying its vaccine is even more effective than originally announced and that it is about to ask for emergency authorization. Our Miriam Hernandez has more on that and on the question of who gets first priority.
How to halt the march of COVID-19 as it wreaks havoc on families. Today, counteroffensive measures with vaccines on the horizon. LA Care, a health plan that serves over 2 million, mostly low-income members, is invested in expediting COVID-19 vaccines as they have for flu shots. Just released a roadmap of LA County vulnerable neighborhoods that should get the vaccine first. UCLA's Fielding School of Public Health developed it so you can zoom in and see where you stand. What makes this study different? Vulnerability is calculated on more than just pre-existing medical conditions. It also factors in your access to health care. Even the density of your neighborhood makes a difference, says UCLA's Dr. Vicki Mays.
There's some streets that you can walk down and the sidewalk is very narrow, and there are other streets in which there is a lot of open space.
She says the report is to ignite a campaign for pharmacies and providers to promote COVID vaccinations, overcome doubts.
We know for even things like the seasonal flu, roughly only half the population complies with the annual recommendation for seasonal flu vaccine.
Hope to abate the pandemic was raised today by Pfizer, announcing that interim results show that its shots are 95% effective.
The risk for getting COVID-19 if you are vaccinated is 20-fold less as compared to having no vaccine.
Any vaccine still must be vetted by the FDA, but health providers are urged now to prepare the public.
We have to start that as soon as possible so that there is not a vaccine hesitancy, but that there's a vaccine readiness for vaccination.
Our ability as a society to get back to any semblance of normalcy is dependent upon our compliance.
Miriam Hernandez, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
We have compiled a number of resources to help you through this pandemic at abc7.com/COVID help, including where to go to get a coronavirus test.